Pavani Ayurveda's Clarify Serum is an excellent serum to use to help heal your skin from blemishes and acne. It can also help heal the skin if it has acne scars. So some people would say, what do you mean putting a serum that is oil-based onto my skin and I have acne and blemishes? No way. But really, applying oil onto your skin if you're suffering from acne and or blemishes is really what your skin is missing. Your skin is missing nourishment. It needs moisture to heal itself. But the trick is using oils that are non-comedogenic, which means they will not clog the skin's pores. And that's exactly what's in this serum. We only use oils at Pavani Ayurveda that are non-comedogenic rating, so they do not clog the skin's pores. They actually do the opposite. And the oils in here, I'll just go ahead and read them for the bottle. Pumpkin seed oil, black cumin seed oil, hemp seed oil, argan oil, neem oil, castor oil, tamanu oil, and essential oils of tea tree, lavender, patchouli, sandalwood, and frankincense. Oh my, so many nourishing, healing herbs and oils contained in this bottle. And the oils are high in linoleic acid. So it's going to help reduce the oiliness that blemish or acne-prone skin experiences. It's going to help to cleanse the skin's pores. And these oils and essential oils also provide antimicrobial and antibacterial actions to the skin. And because they're oil, it's going to help draw in moisture that your skin needs to heal itself. So we really encourage you to try this Clarify Serum if you're suffering from acne or blemish-prone skin. It's really going to give your skin the TLC it needs to heal itself. So how would you use this serum? It's really simple. So you'll want to use 3 to 6 drops of oil, and we love combining our oil with the Pavani Ayurveda floral water. So the floral water just helps the oil penetrate deeply into the skin's layers, and it helps the oil go on really smoothly. So you'll just apply this in gentle upward strokes. And you can really smell with the serum the neem, which is pretty strong and bitter, but excellent for eradicating acne and blemishes. I can also smell the black cumin seed oil coming through, which is excellent to use for acne-prone skin. So don't forget the neck too. So you'll just apply that. And that's how you use the Clarify Serum.